In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the status column in Monday.com. The status column is one of the most useful features in Monday.com because it lets you quickly see where each task or item stands. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to add a status column to your board, how to update it, and how to customize the labels and colors so they match your workflow. First, log into your Monday.com account and head over to the left-hand panel. This is where all your boards are listed. Take a moment to find the board where you want to use a status column. It might be a project board, a task list, or any workspace you're managing. Once you've located it, click on the board to open it. Inside the board, look along the top where your existing columns are displayed. Scroll all the way to the right until you reach the last column. At the end, you'll see a small plus icon. This is how you add new columns. Go ahead and click that plus icon. A menu will appear with different column types you can choose from. From this list, select Status. As soon as you do, Monday.com will add a new status column to your board. Now let's start using it. In the status column, each row represents a different item or task. Click directly on any cell in that column. When you click, a drop-down will appear with several default options such as Done in green, Working on it in yellow, Stuck in red, and a neutral gray option, often used as a default or not started type of label. Simply choose the status that best describes the current state of that item. This makes it easy to scan your board and understand progress at a glance. If the default labels or colors don't quite fit your process, you can customize them. Look for the option called Edit Labels in the status dropdown and click it. A panel will open where you can change both the text and the colors. Click on any color swatch to open the color picker, then choose from the available colors to match your team's conventions or priorities. In the text field next to each color, type in the label name you want, such as In Review, On Hold, or anything that makes sense for your workflow. When you're happy with your changes, click Apply. Your updated labels and colors will now appear in that status column, ready to use on every item in your board.